Boy, oh boy. Boat Dock Movers Lanier here with another rescue. As you can see, we've got wave runner ports this time to disconnect. We're going to try to get this massive dock back where it belongs, right out there. It's got two wave runner ports, one with a ski on it. It's got spuds in the ground. Two boat lifts, thankfully with no boat on them. Gangway that's got to come down. One massive dock. Let's see if we can get them out. All right, we're going to take a quick break, show you guys where we're at on this. So we've got some 4-inch pipes under this finger of the dock. All right, also you can see we're making pretty good progress. We've already moved the dock maybe 1.5 foot. That's pretty good. You can see where the spud was in the ground and where it's at now. Go under the gangway here. And here's the pipes on the other side that are helping us roll right into the water. This is a big, heavy dock.
Two 2,000 years later.
All right, Boat Dock Movers Lanier here. You see it, another job done, another dock rescued. Don't let this happen to you. Subscribe to our dock wash service today. Send us an email, the link is in the description.